One study showed that eating a nutritious breakfast can actually boost your mood for up to 2 hours. So in today's video, I am going to join you guys for an entire week and try out a whole week of healthy breakfast ideas to see if I can kickstart my mornings in the best way possible. If you're new here, welcome, and consider subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. Let's dive right into it. This is literally the definition of a make-ahead breakfast. The night before, combine rolled oats, milk, yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits in a jar. Give it a stir, and by the next morning, you will have a delicious creamy oatmeal ready to go. Dedicate some time on the weekend or the night before to prepare a breakfast that you can grab and go in the morning. One great option is to make a big batch of breakfast burrito. Simply scramble some eggs, add in your favorite veggies and cheese, and then wrap it all up in a whole wheat tortilla. This dish is perfect for a weekend brunch, and it is also great for meal prepping ahead of time. Don't worry if you missed a day or two. I always love hearing from you guys. I have another video that you can check out here on the screen. It's all about healthy eating. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. The most important thing is to find a routine that works for you, and that you can stick to most of the time. And I hope you guys enjoyed trying out these recipes as much as I did. Remember, you don't have to stick to just one type of breakfast. Feel free to mix it up and try out new recipes to find out what you like best. The key is to find something that is both nutritious and enjoyable, so that you can start your day off on the right foot. Simply cube up a whole wheat bread, soak it in a mixture of milk and eggs, and then bake it in the oven until it's golden brown. You can serve it as it is, or you can add toppings like fresh fruit, whipped cream, or syrup. French toast casserole is a delicious and comforting breakfast option that's perfect for a lazy weekend morning. It's also a great way to use up old bread that might be going stale. Plus, it's very easy to make. You just need one pan and a few basic ingredients, and you can customize it to include whatever toppings you like best. So if you're looking for a classic breakfast option that's easy to make and perfect for sharing, French toast casserole is definitely worth a try. You can make a bunch of these burritos and freeze them. In the morning, just pop one in the microwave and you'll have a quick and easy breakfast in no time. Not only are breakfast burritos convenient and delicious, but they're also a great source of protein and fiber. Plus, they're very versatile. You can customize them to include whatever ingredients you like best. So if you're looking for an easy and nutritious breakfast option that you can make ahead of time, breakfast burritos are definitely worth a try. Overnight oats are high in fiber and protein, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied until lunchtime. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's very nutritious. To make avocado toast, simply mash half an avocado on top of a piece of whole grain toast, season with salt and pepper, and add a squeeze of lemon juice. Extra points if you use an avocado, seed oil, or flaky sea salt. For a little extra protein, you can top it off with a fried egg or some sliced almonds. Avocado toast is a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins, and it's also very satisfying and filling. Plus, it's very easy to make. Even if you're not the most experienced cook, anyone can make avocado toast. And there are endless variations that you can try out. You can add different toppings, different types of bread, or even try using different types of avocados. So if you're looking for a trendy and nutritious breakfast option, avocado toast is definitely worth a try. Are you a morning person? I used to be, but now that I've graduated from university and started working full-time, this is a super easy meal that can be made in minutes. Simply take a whole wheat English muffin, add a slice of cheese, a fried egg, and a slice of turkey breast. And that's it. You have yourself a delicious and nutritious breakfast sandwich. This meal is packed with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates, making it a great option for a filling and satisfying breakfast. Plus, it's very easy to make. You don't need any fancy ingredients or equipment to make a breakfast sandwich. All you need are a few basic ingredients and a frying pan, and you can customize it to include whatever ingredients you like best. So if you're looking for a classic breakfast option that is easy to make and packed with flavor, the breakfast sandwich is definitely worth a try. Waking up at 7 a.m. every morning just to sit down and have a nice breakfast is not really something that fits into my schedule. Eggs are a great source of protein and healthy fats, and they're also very versatile. You can scramble them, fry them, poach them, the list goes on. My personal favorite is to make This is a Middle Eastern and North African dish consisting of eggs poached in a spicy tomato sauce. It's delicious. It's easy to make, and it's definitely a crowd pleaser. Shakshuka is a fantastic breakfast option because it provides a good source of protein, fiber, and vitamins. Plus, it's a really fun and satisfying meal that will keep you full and energized throughout the morning. Smoothie bowls are not only aesthetically pleasing, they're also a great way to sneak in extra veggies and fruits into your diet. My favorite smoothie bowl recipe consists of frozen bananas, spinach, berries, and Greek yogurt. Blend everything together and then pour it into a bowl. Add in granola, nuts and seeds, and enjoy. This smoothie bowl is packed with protein, healthy fats and fiber, making it a great choice for a filling and nutritious breakfast. And I know I'm not the only one who struggles with this. A lot of us are constantly rushing in the morning trying to get everything done before the day starts. And sometimes, breakfast gets skipped altogether. But what if we made the time to sit down and have a good breakfast? How would that impact our days? I'm here to share with you guys all things health and wellness. I'm a registered dietitian. Starting off the week with overnight oats is a no-brainer. All right, second day of the week, let's go hard. Third day of the week, it's time to talk about eggs. On the fourth day of the week, I want to highlight the importance of meal prepping for those who are really short on time in the morning. Fifth day of the week, avocado toast. This trendy dish has been around for a while, and for good reason. Day 6 of the week, let's go back to basics with a classic breakfast sandwich. Day 7 of the week, we are bringing it all together with a sweet and satisfying French toast. We made it to the end of the week. Give yourself a pat on the back because simply making time for breakfast every morning is an achievement in itself. What are some of your go-to breakfast ideas? Comment down below.